This is the MegaWise 1.5 liter cool mist humidifier, and it just works wonderfully. It's perfect for your bedroom, your home, your office, and for your plants too. You can even add different flavors of essential oils for a soothing atmosphere. Moisturize the air in your home all day long. The half-gallon capacity allows you to run it for 10 hours on low setting, 8 hours on medium setting, and 6 hours on high setting. It's also ultra quiet. It runs at 25 decibels, so perfect for your nursery, your home, and your office too. It's also BPA free, it's very light and portable, and also stylish too. This is also very easy to use. All you have to do is remove it from the top of the unit, turn this to remove the cap, and then fill it with purified water. Then secure the cap back on and put it inside this unit. Just like that. This top cap you can even remove and put it on a different direction as well. Now to turn it on, you just turn this knob and then it will turn on to low, medium, and all the way to high. Wow, look at it go. I was sent this from MegaWise and it just works wonderfully. I'm really impressed with it and it works ultra fast. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.